How many people have tried using softwares? Anybody has tried using a dental software? I'm talking about dental software. Few people or nobody? Does everybody has got a computer in the clinic? Most of them have a computer in the clinic, but you don't have a software to manage the patient data. Okay. You know what? For me, the biggest difficulty till now has been in finding a good dental software. It has almost become like a holy grail. Because we just don't seem to have use from all the softwares that have come to the market. Okay? And I've spent about 50-60,000 rupees on combined on all the softwares and it has come to nil. Till now. Why? Because all these softwares, although they say it's simple, they are मतलब जलेबी जैसे मतलब क्या बोलते हैं ना वो सीधे है वैसे है. Okay? So what is important is to see that, but it's very important to use a good software. There was a study that was conducted which showed the amount of time that you can save by using a good by using a software. If you detail it, you will realize that you can easily cover the cost of a software in in a month's time, maybe, or 2 months' time. But a requirement of a software should be that it should be very simple to use. It should be something that a staff should use. It should not be something that you're going to pull your hair out on. Okay? And that has been the problem till now. Now today I am going to show you, because of the requirement, I am going to show you software that I use in my practice. It's a very new software. Luckily we have got the software person who has come over here. If you want, you can see the demonstration also. And next time I am going to ensure that you pay me for this. Okay? Okay. So this is a software that is by Prakalp Infosystems. This is a practice management software. Okay? And the simplest thing about this is the difference in the way you are able to view your OPD details. Okay? In one front page you have got the register, you have got your scheduled appointments, you have got a different task that you have to do every day. The appointment scheduler is there, which is integrated into the software. You can easily shift from one day to second day, which your receptionist can do. Let us say you have got 2 computers, one outside, one inside. Or if she changes, you're going to obviously through the LAN network, you're going to see over here. And it's very simple. If you put an icon over there, you will see that the person's name, the treatment that is required, the time that is allotted is immediately there. You can see over there, you can see that it is there. So you know what work has to be done over there. The case paper, I think so, Doctor, you also use other case papers. The case papers require, what is the case paper requirement? Is that I should be looking at everything in that one screen without having again going back. And this is what this really nicely does. In this one case paper, in this one, let us say the patient, the personal details, info, status, X-ray, images, schedule appointment, treatment advice, estimate, records, everything can be seen in this. What the problems that you have taken can easily be seen on the right side, where again there is a small Palmer notation sort of a thing. So all you have to do, once you got the case paper of the patient opened by the receptionist, which is again therefore open at your counter, all you have to do is, let us say you're doing a treatment, you advise something, click on treatment advice, see the Palmer notation, click on that and you'll get it. Okay? Then of course it manages patient management, a lot of patient management, letters can be generated. I like the labs that can be ordered. In that, they have got, they have made a system. Let us say you're putting ceramic, there are different shades. So there are 9 quadrants in that tooth. So all the 9 quadrants you can actually customize which shade you want. You can take a printout of it, and all you have to do is give you a printout with the lab code. So you don't have to write and explain which shade is required, A1, A2, because you can easily give the different quadrants. You can have the patient estimates in one line, so this is very good. This is the Palmer notation, the different, it's color coded, so for different color tooth, you've got different colors, so you know exactly which tooth has got which problem. You can easily store images, and this is what I really use it for. Because in one single line, you've got all the different views that you want. So, and it's very quick for you to use those software, click it, put it on a computer and take it on the, and the receptionist or the assistant outside can also do that. So you have got all your images segregated individually patient-wise, and that is where this really matters. Let us say you got a root canal treatment. What you can, the software entails that you got an image of the root canal. The length of the root canal is measured in that, where you can write down what the measurement is. So the measurement is also stored into the software. I think so. You can send email and SMSs also, which I use regularly for my patients. And this, sir, is without the mobile. So directly through the internet, once you've got a customized SMS, you put the number, click it, you've got a specific format, and it directly goes to the patient's mobile. Let us say an appointment has to be changed, it directly goes, and this the reception can do, because you don't have to spend for a mobile amount, because this is directly going through the software. And this is a fantastic thing that is there. This is for outstanding balance. It is for many things. You can see your, and nowadays SMS packages are very cheap. Now I've got an SMS package which is, I think so, 10,000 SMSs, and it is costing me 1,400 or 1,500. So it is very cheap. If you see, it is about 15 paisa, and the validity of that is 2 years. So every day I have the capability to send 30 SMSs or 15 SMSs. Right? And I can send SMS to all my patients if I want to, about different things. And this is a very, very good feature that they have integrated. Different reports, of course, are there. You can see in a graph, it's almost sounding like a promotional activity, but you can see in a graph that root canal, dental implants, complete dentures, how many you have done in that every month. You'll be able to see and sort it out. Okay? So basically, this is a software that I use. If you want, luckily we have got the marketing guy over here. So if you want, you can check out. You can give some brochure if you want. You can see it.